Welcome back, my beauty squad. How you been? If you're new, it's your girl Jessica. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down at that corner or that one, and that you got that bell turned on. That way you get notified for any and every video upload, because your girl uploads daily. Plus, I go live every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. We have loads of fun there. We chit chat, play with makeup, try out skincare, and just help push, inspire, and motivate each other as creators, as supporters, as friends. So if you have not joined my lives, please do so, and just welcome to the community. It is epic. I promise, it is epic. So today I am doing a review, but on this right here. This is a dresser that I had just purchased from Amazon. I want to kind of fix up my little area over here, being I have a little corner to call mine for the makeup, and I try to literally compress all the spots I can to where it don't look so messy, and you know, it's just there, and it serves this purpose. So if you have seen my videos before, you will notice that I don't have my palettes behind me no more, and this looks totally different. So please continue to watch this video all the way through so you can see that we get into the finish. I did not record me rearranging just because I did it on a live, but I did record the box itself when it came in, what it looked like, opening up the dresser and all that, and my final thoughts on the dresser. So make sure you watch to the end, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I love y'all. Welcome back, my beauty squad. Yeah, weird angle, right? But I wanted to show y'all real fast my 7-drawer storage chest that I just ordered off Amazon before we assembled it. This is solid work surface. On top, you get steel frame, fabric drawers, easy assembled, and that's Miss Luna Bear. Hold on, Mama. This is what the bigger drawers look like. Everything is well plastic. These are the baby ones. This is a steel frame right here. Here's the other drawers, and then there's the wood top. I cannot wait. I am so impatient to put this together. Yay! This is what it looks like on top. It just shows you, you know, to pay close attention when you're putting in the brackets, how it's supposed to look. Like I said, everything came in really good packaged really well. Really good package. You got your bag of screws, brackets, little knobs, all that. These are the handles with the screws to go for the handles. Like I said, I can't wait. It says easy assemble. I will be back once we start assembling this and showing y'all how me and my daughter puts this together and actually seeing if it's going to be worth it. Okay, beauty squad, I'm back. I wanted to show you real quick how this looks all out of the box before we assemble it. This is the top face of it. It's the wood piece. I like that it has the little covers on it because y'all know Miss Luna Bear. Oh, I'm trying to get it lifted up so y'all see the other side. It looks really sturdy. It's heavy. These are the end brackets that go to the bottom. This is what the piece looks like outside. Don't mind my messy mess. You get the screws like I showed y'all, but this is the instruction sheet it comes with. Shows you how to do it. It actually comes with a tool, so I think that's really cool. This is the company. Again, this was only $79. Came out to like $85 with tax and all, and I got it super fast. I can't wait to put it together. I will be back in a second to show y'all kind of like how it looks before I put the drawers in, and then after the drawers. Peace. Welcome back, beauty squad. Yep, different angle now. This is what it looks like assembled without the drawer. This is like the first drawer in there, but It just opens up like that. Me and my daughter have been working our butts off. And you know why? Because your girl's a retard. I put it backwards the first time. Will you have me another drawers, babe? Yeah. So yeah, I put this in backwards, but this is what it looks like. It's super easy to put the drawers in. And once you have everything on there good, they just slide in there. They do have a hard piece right here that you can take up and off, but that kind of like holds it. I'm not gonna show you. My daughter over here holding my hand and shit. Just like that. Here's the big one. Oh, hold on, let me push this down. You just line it up, push it in. And that's what it looks like. It's really beautiful, actually. Like, it does not look cheap. It looks well put together. Look how pretty it is. And then, like I said, this is really sturdy. This is what it looks like from the back. I'm really impressed with, I left these on just because of my baby. They could come off, so either way you wanted it. And plus it's black, so it kind of looks good. But y'all, let me know down below in the comments what y'all think of it. Do you think it was worth the $79? Sorry, that's my TV in the background. I'm in the middle of getting ready to go live, so I have to hurry up and show you this because I'm going to fill it up on my live. So see y'all there. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, my beauty squad. This is the finished work. I know most of y'all know what it used to look like. I should have took a video of this. I'm sorry. But that's the drawers. I have a drink in my hands. This is the top of my thing. I still got a lot more organizing to do right here. I just kind of want to give you the rundown like how it looks. I did rearrange some stuff right there. I had my foundations up there, but they kept falling. So I was like, And y'all know I have my palettes like stacked up here. Palettes stacked up here. So now, boom, there's some of my palettes. And y'all, these drawers are actually really sturdy. Boom, there's some more of my palettes. Boom, there's the last of my palettes. And no, I don't have all 3 drawers filled up. They're close, but they're not filled up yet. There's my foundations. I don't even have that many, but the drawer still has plenty of room. And I don't have nothing in those. And then my fat butt ain't reaching on there. Those are my headbands and stuff like that. Figured that'd be a good place to be in. I'm not going to be pinning down that far a lot. But yeah, this looks a lot more roomy. I do have to clean this off still. Figure out something. Figure out to put these somewhere else. Just gotta figure out where, when, who, what, where. Then I changed this up. I've got my jewelry right here now. Just because I've been getting quite a bit here lately. Paparazzi and stuff. So I wanted somewhere safe to put it. I ain't gonna worry about messing up. Then I've got my little friends that Naomi sent me. And then I've got little sample sizes for my foundations. Which these need to go over here into there. And then I have something else I need to put over here. Oh, see it? Oh, together. I see it now. Yeah, I think what I might do with my second drawer is use it for skincare. That would be awesome. But yep, there's the rundown of that. What do I range this from 1 to 10? Is it worth my money? I range it as a 15. Freaking really simple to put together. I like how they have this, so you know, Luna ain't gonna really hurt herself. I like how this is steel. I like how this is good wood. I like how these are cloth, but they're still sturdy. Like, guys, I'm gonna pull this out, and mind you, you know pallets weigh pretty decent. I can pull it out, and it's not gonna fall. See, it's all the way to the end. Any other pallet, in any other drawer will like kind of like lean down and fall. So I think that's super cool how it don't fall down. Again, I'm going to rearrange some of my skincare and stuff and put over there. I'll put like lippies in the second one or third one. Put skincare in the fourth one. You know, get a little bit more decent looking over here. But all together, I really enjoy the whole concept of this. I think it's awesome. Love it, love it, love it. Can't wait to show y'all how much more I do over here. I have been on a cleaning spree for a minute now. And so I just want to get everything organized and set up. That way I ain't got to worry about it no more. Can't wait to try this. Look, let's try the elephant.
Mama, look. Look, give me a kissy.
But yeah, thank y'all so much, Beauty Squad. I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure you leave a thumbs up on your way out and drop a comment below and let me know how do you think I did on my little area so far. There will be a part 2.